SOWON을 말해봐. SOWON을 말해봐. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is SOWON을. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about SOWON. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 358. SOWON. SOWON. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is so, the second syllable is won. Pronounce it with me. SOWON. SOWON. The word SOWON is simply the Korean term for wish. Again, SOWON means wish. How do we write SOWON in Hangeul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, so, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an o character. For the second syllable won, we need to draw first a placeholder or no sound iyang followed by an u character followed by an o character and lastly followed by a nian character. So after that, we just need to combine the Hangeul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangeul of the word SOWON. To know more about our word for today, let's look at this example. It says, tell me your wish. Again, tell me your wish. The Korean translation of that example is SOWON을 말해봐. Again, SOWON을 말해봐. SOWON is our word for today and it means wish. And if we will look back at the example, it's actually SOWON을 and ul is added to indicate that this is the object of the sentence. And 말해봐 means try telling me, or let me see you say it to me. So when we say SOWON을 말해봐, it means tell me your wish or try telling me your wish. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of SOWON을 말해봐 is tell me your wish. And with that, you've just learned SOWON. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 348 to 357. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 358, SOWON, which means wish. The first word for our review is word number 357, mare, which means say it or tell me. Next word for our review is bam, which means night. Next word is 화장지, which means tissue paper. Next word is 아무도, which means no one or nobody. Next word is 언제나, which means every time or always. Next word is 모든, which means all. Next word is 먹자, which means let's eat. Next word is 다행이다, which means that's a relief. Next word is 말해봐, which means try saying it. And the last word for our review is word number 348, 미쳤어, which means crazy. Congrats! You've just learned another Korean word. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.